Hello everyone, my name is Agent M and welcome to another AI video. Yeah, we're doing this again. We're just using the DuckDuckGo AI because it's free. We're just gonna use GPT-4o Mini and yeah, let's create some games as the title implies. So I have set up a directory and opened up my command prompt so I can easily create these games. And we'll start off simple with file number 0, Pong. So let's ask the AI to just write us a Pong Pygame. So write me a game with Pygame Pong. Alright, let's just keep it simple. Like, there you go. It's just very simple. Let's see what it all generates. It looks good. Copy that code, throw it in, and let's run it. Py 0 Pong. There we go. Oh, okay. So this is the. Okay, so it's not against the AI, it's against myself. And that looks pretty cool. Oh, a little bit of glitchiness, but it's fine. It works. There we go. We got Pong. That was easy. So that's how easy it is to create games with AI. You just type in what you want, and AI makes you the game. It really can't be simpler, can it? Now, of course, this is a bit boring, so we'll just like add a bit of fluff to it. Add a menu that allows me to choose if I want to play against another player or the CPU. And before we do that, but let's add some scoring. Let's add some scoring to it. Um, yeah, up to 7 points, or let's do 10 points. Then the game ends and can be restarted. So let's just do that real quick and then we'll add the CPU stuff to it and see if that works. Okay, wait for it all to generate. Let's just reopen our Pong example. We'll stage that real quick, copy our code, yeet it in, run it again. There we go, we got scoring system. Oh, 1 point for them, 0 points for player 2. Alright, okay, yeah, that seems to work. Oh, yeah. Okay, you have to be really good at player 2. Alright, let's just see what happens when we get to the level or score 10. 8, 9. Oh, I'm so bad. Oh, left player wins. Okay. Oh, and it auto restarts. Okay, cool. Simple. Let's keep going and add a menu that allows me to choose if I want to play against another player or the CPU. Boom. So it sets up display, initialize a font, reset the game, show the menu. There's the game loop. Player CPU. I guess the CPU kind of gets implemented. I mean, it's not hard to create an AI for Pong. So let's see an AI create an AI, huh? All right, let's go. Okay, so I guess 3 is exit. Yep, there we go. Works perfect. Player versus player. It's what we had before. Seems to still work. All right, I want to get out of this now. How can I get out? 3? No? There's no back button. I just have to win, I guess. Maybe after we lose, we go back to the menu. Let's see. Left player wins? Menu? No. Oh, well, we can ask that later, but let's just go player versus CPU. Oh, yep, that's not me controlling it. That's the CPU, alright. I mean, the way it's implemented right now, I probably cannot win from the CPU. I guess the AI is too strong. So let's see if we can like win from it by doing some strategy, like getting the ball stuck for a second or something. Maybe that's possible. Like I want to try and hit it on the side of my paddle. It's pretty difficult to do. Okay. No, that just made him get a point. Okay, I failed again. I want to see how this AI is implemented by just trying it out. Oh, I glitched it a bit. Okay, that didn't do anything really. Let's try it again, and otherwise we'll give up. I guess it's just impossible to win from the CPU. AI just created an AI that's unbeatable. Let's just try it again. Alright, I glitched it. Yeah, I don't think we can win from this one. So let's just say, okay, one, I would like to go back to the main menu if the game ends. Two, make the CPU player a bit not so good that it is impossible to win. Alright. We'll just keep going with this game until we run out of juice, and then we'll just move on to the next one. We'll see what we can squeeze out of this AI, really. Yeah, that's good. Looks great. Let's copy that code, throw it in. Okay, player versus player. Let's see what happens if I lose. Do I go back to the menu? This is always the most fun experience. And left player wins. Yeah, we go back to the menu. Perfect. Player versus CPU. All right, let's see if the AI is a bit worse now. It's lagging behind a little bit, so there is a chance that we can win now. I mean, I don't know. There's still no like ball physics, so it's really hard to like make the ball not like go exactly off of bounds. Okay, I glitched it a bit. Maybe maybe that does something. It still seems very difficult to win at least. Or maybe it's possible just through luck because it lags behind enough. Let's see. Okay. Oh. Okay. Yeah, it still seems pretty difficult to win from this. Even if I glitch out the ball, like... See if I can glitch it out. Nope. I mean, if I'm already spending like 10 minutes on Pong, it's gonna be a while before we create the other games. Oh, great. Okay, I think it's still not maybe not impossible. Maybe there is a very slight chance that you'll get lucky. Let's see how this is implemented. Um, so how's the AI implemented? CPU does some stuff. Random 80% chance to move down. Okay, so that's like let's just bump this up to 0.4 to give the player a bit of an edge. Like let's just tweak that AI code a little bit. Like we can ask it to, but I don't feel like it. Okay, so now it's really like lagging behind. Okay, so there's like a 40% chance it will go down when it should be going down. Or 60% I think. Oh, we actually won 1 point. That's crazy. So it's just I mean AIs or CPUs players have always kind of been just a probability game anyway. Oh my god, you just did a trick. So CPU players are never like technically everything is just a probability. Even playing against another player is a probability. Um, yeah, this is very generic. It's not making the CPU more fun to play against, but then again, it's just Pong. But yeah, pretty decent, honestly. We can ask for ball physics now. Please add ball physics so hitting it differently on the paddle makes the trajectory change instead of it always being a perfect bounce. And we'll have to patch in our AI. Maybe we won't be needing that if we have the ball physics. Let's just try it like so. All right, there we go. Finished generating that. You don't really care about what else it has to say. We just want the code. We are lazy programmers. We don't care about any explanation. We just want code. Oh, okay, that's definitely it. Okay. All right. So how do I hit it to make that ball go like crazy? Okay, so hitting it a bit to the side. Okay, this is like okay, yeah. Let's see if it just hits it dead on every single time. All right, let's give it a little bit more spin. Let's see if we can get it like spin a bit more. maybe we can outsmart him by just going too fast. Like, nope. Outsmarted me. There we go. That's like maximum bounce. It's just dead on every single time. Yeah, that's that's a problem. Let's see if we can trick it, and otherwise we'll just we'll just ask the AI to fix it a bit. Oh, there we go. Okay, actually it didn't hit it like completely straight on. Let's see. Okay. Okay, that's like a good corner hit. All right, let's just keep the corner hits going. I think it's still pretty much impossible to beat this AI. So what we're gonna do here is patch that thing in there again. Where's the CPU? Okay, so this CPU has, okay, yeah. So let's make this a open 4 again. So 60% chance. Nah, actually make it like slightly harder. All right. So now hopefully that changes things a little bit. Let's see. It still hits a dead center every single time. I don't want to do programming. Come on. Come on. Gotta at least score 1 point against this. Oh. Oh. It's going so diagonal whenever it like starts off, and then it's I think it's much easier for the CPU right now because of the dead center stops. So make the bounces more dramatic. Currently, the CPU hits the ball dead on and it basically loses all direction. Make ball hits on the corner of the paddle, speed up the ball. Something like that, maybe. And wait for it to generate. You gotta have patience with AI. I mean, this is faster than any simple Pong game I could ever write in this amount of time. So let's just go on with it. All right, let's see. Oh, it still hits it dead on center. See if we can get any like proper corner hits here. Okay, that seemed to speed up the ball a little bit. Let's see. Okay, added ball. Ball seems to be going faster. Oh no. Well, maybe we can win from the AI now. Even with the vanilla difficulty. I'm saying vanilla here as if it's like a proper game. Oh god, the corner hits. The corner hits is I'm trying too hard to like get the corner hits right now. It's not about endurance here. It's more about, well, it is about endurance, but it's more about like how can I get as many corner hits so I can quickly win this game? I'm losing this game so hard. Well, who would have thought AI would already be going against humans by making the CPU impossibly hard to win from? Okay, yeah, maybe I'm just bad, but I'm just trying to win. If I'm not trying to win so hard, I could just have like a paddle battle for hours here with the CPU, but I'm trying to win so hard. Oh, this is a different kind of challenge. Like when you like buy a game or anything, you know, like there's probably a chance I'll win, otherwise wouldn't have never published. But if the AI generates a game, are you even able to win? I don't think I'm able to win, both because I'm bad and also because of the very difficult AI. And the AI also, I don't think has a speed limit. It can just go fast if it wants to. All right, so yeah, I think we'll try one more thing, and that's just like the AI is too hard to play with. Make it even easier Besides that, make the ball keep more of its angular momentum when it is hit in the middle, and only adjust this when the ball hits paddles on the very edges, and a bit more what? A bit more, you know, angle to it. There we go. You don't have to write perfect sentences here. This is not programming. Like, you can just kind of just be like, this is kind of what I want, just do it. It won't produce the best results, but it should be good enough for this. Let's see if it's finished generating. Nope. Almost. There we go. Let's copy the code. I hope that's the latest version. Oh no, that's not the latest version. This is the latest version. And drop it in. I'm not purchasing that. There we go. All right, let's hope for the best here. It's still dead centers the ball. I don't like that. Okay, and it's still impossible to win from this CPU. Come on. I have to at least score 1 point against this CPU. I'm not going home before I win a single point. Alright, let's go and win this real quick. So it's getting frantic. Maybe this is where I can start winning. Maybe. Okay. Ah, I got juked. No. But that ball was going pretty fast. I wonder if it can phase through the paddle because it doesn't do proper collision checks. I don't think it does an intersection check. It just does like, hey, is the ball bounding box actually intersecting with the paddle? And if it goes too fast, it might just be in front and then behind the paddle. But let's see. I want to win at least one. I'm determined now. I want to win, and I will win, even if that means cheating. It's going faster now, and I lost again. Just cheat again. Let's see if there's any other settings we can tweak here. Okay, so yeah, I don't know. This is like handle ball collision. That's what's really doing it. Calculate ball angle. It's doing a lot of magic, right? So it's taking that relative y, right? So how can we keep... Let's see if we just tweak this to be a bit crazier. And what would that mean actually? No, that's not what we want. Max angle of 45 degrees. No, let's not have a max angle of 45 degrees. Let's do 90-degree angle. Let's do crazy. All right. So let's make it like 2.01, just so it's not gonna be like 90 degrees or like 2.1 or something. Okay, that should make it more crazy. And speed increase factor, that's fine. Let's just try it like this. Maybe make the CPU slow. Actually, that's already like it's already 50-50. So let's make that speed, the paddle speed. Can we say like a little bit slower paddle speed for the CPU, like times 0.8 or something? so it actually jitters away a bit more. Let's try it. Ooh, now it's definitely gonna get crazy. Okay. See? Oh, we're definitely getting those bounces now. Okay, we get a little bit more of a straight bounce. So that relative Y, I don't know, it doesn't seem to really get to that 45-degree angle. But I'm able to win now. That's good. Let's tweak this a little bit more and see if that -1 to +1. I don't know, is this gonna really wreck things? It doesn't seem like it, like it's still giving that like angle. I don't know. There's probably, if you tweak this code, you can make this game more fun, but that's not the point of this game. We just wanted to generate a game with AI and see what it created, and this is what it created. 2-player game, and of course there's no way to go back. Could probably ask to escape to go back, but yeah. And the ability to play against the CPU. It's pretty cool. And now, of course, I tweaked the game a little bit to make it winnable. AI is probably just gonna be like, okay, those damn human players will not allow them to win. So, yeah. Perfect. Awesome. That's a really cool game. That was just thrown together basically fully by AI. So yeah, that was the first of many. Here you can see the next videos that are planned. It's gonna get wild, trust me. Anyway, I thank you all for watching and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.